Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I'm going to a car meet, and I'm driving the car there. A few videos ago, I showed you guys like this little car meet in the parking lot. It was like older folks, and they're like old classic cars and stuff. Well, supposedly that happens, and then it gets a little bit more popping with the younger crowd and stuff like, you know, import cars and shit. So we're gonna go check it out. It might be super whack, or it might be cool. I don't know, but we did align the car. We got the bumper on. Look how good the car looks. Minus the fog. It's not that my lens is dirty. Ooh, damn, she looks good. So why not take it for a drive? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna grab a few essentials, some zip ties, some stuff to wipe the car down because it's dirty, and stop and grab some fuel. And first things first, though, we gotta let this thing warm up. Warm up, engage. Yeah, lots of money, lots of time.
What motor's in it?
It is a 408 cubic inch LS.
Oh, okay.
All right, she's full. Yeah, she Well, there was absolutely no point in wiping the car down because it's now dirty again. And this is where the car meet is. And there's nobody here. We're bad at car meeting. Do you see? This is what I said earlier. When we were at Red Door meet and I was like, oh, I'm bad at car meeting. This is why. Because no one's even here. Look at this. Guess a little rain scared some people away. Not us, though. Not us.
Just in the rain, dude.
So we had one car meter in a Mustang. He just pulled through there, almost crashed,
hey guys, what's up?
and then left.
Qualifying here at FD Seattle. You can see
Damn.
working on the car.
No one wants to kick it with us. Since we're just car meeting and chilling by ourselves, we're gonna watch X Games Street live. Spoiler alert, Chad Curley wins, but everybody seems to be killing it for sure. Watching Dennis ride a street course is always fucking cool to see. Look at him out there. The car meet's popping finally.
Who's he yelling at? Yeah.
I don't know, but she's yelling at him. It's about to go down. It's a domestic dispute in the parking lot of Winn-Dixie.
A girl in a black jacket just ran off.
Where'd she go?
I don't know, she ran behind it.
The fuzz is here now. I kind of feel like I'm filming an episode of Cops right now. Oh shit, he's out. Oh, there's oh shit lights. It's on now. I made it back. All right, it's a new day. Our car meet adventure didn't work out. It was a flop, and this video wasn't long enough. So Tucker, the man who came to Portland with me, he's been around a lot lately. So he has a couple cars. One of them is this one. This is an SR hatch, and this is one of his little projects. This is more on like the drift project side, right? And then you have another missile car. Then you have another hatch that's nicer that you're building with an LS.
Yeah, it's cam.
Yeah.
Cause diff.
I mean, we'll get into that one later. But this is the missile. This is the one we're gonna try and do more shit with. Try and get him out on the track. And I just wanted to give you guys a little walk around to kind of finish up this video and talk about some of the things that we plan on doing here in the garage over the next month or so. He said he's got a little bit of money saved up. He wants to do like a dual caliper hydraulic e-brake setup, and I don't know what else you want to do.
LS?
Well, yeah, I got one back there, dude. All right, well, let's just go over the car. Let's pop the hood. Pop the hood. This fender fitment is on point, dog.
Dude, I lined it with one eye.
What, the fender? The wheels? He used to work at Super Chips, if you can't tell. You wasted a lot of stickers on this hood. Okay.
It's actually on another hatch.
Alright, so this is pretty fucking clean in here.
Did this for the first OSW event.
Oh yeah, at OSW you have to have a heat shield for your brake master. Whoa, I'm rolling the car. For your brake booster and master cylinder. It's pretty much just stock though, right? It's got yeah, T25, S14 SR.
Black top, but doesn't matter.
Is it a black top or did you just paint the valve cover black?
It's got little fins.
Alright.
Black top.
Front mount intercooler, eBay blow off valve. But the wiring's pretty fucking clean in here.
It's got Megan tracks, coilers.
Got the sway bar still on there. Stock angle.
It's been sitting for a while.
Yeah, I can see that.
You can tell.
It's got stock angle though.
Yeah.
Nice. So maybe we could do like a villain's angle kit on this thing or something.
Something cheap.
Huh?
Something cheap.
Yeah. The villains guys will hook it up. They take care of me. Rotogrids, stock body, S14 seats. It's locked, okay. All the rear shit's taken out. Battery tray with a Optimum battery. Oh, you got the brown door panels, dude?
Yeah, but I tried converting most of it. I've got the...
Just the carpet and door panels left, really?
Yeah.
What about the headliner? Is that out? Oh, headliner too.
Yeah,
You could probably just rip that headliner out, though.
yeah, I'm not worried about any of the interior, honestly.
Yeah. You could use a steering wheel and a bucket seat,
I've actually
though.
got an extra pair of seats if anybody wants to buy them.
S14 ones?
Yeah.
Same ones?
They're...
Or are they all gray?
confetti, I think. The confetti or whatever you want
Oh,
to call
yeah,
them.
yeah. Yeah, he's got some S14 seats if you guys want them. Yeah, a couple things. We're going to do a handbrake in here. Try and put an angle kit on it. Has it been aligned?
Yeah.
So we'll put the angle kit on and then realign the front then. And then, do you have rear suspension arms?
Nope.
Stock?
I think they're still all stock.
So maybe put some ISR suspension arms on it. And just a couple things for drivability. You know what I mean? An angle kit, some rear suspension arms to dial in the alignment, get this camber out. Steering wheel, quick release.
Yeah.
You want to keep those seats, or do you want to do a bucket seat that's like more like holstery than?
I wanted to do a bucket seat, but for right now,
that shit's comfy.
it is.
S14 seats are so comfy,
They are.
and they sit low. Like it's.
So if that's the case, 2 S14 seats. Yeah.
You got an oil catch can just sitting right here.
Yeah, have it hooked up.
Whoa, dude!
Listen. This old car, right?
Whoa! I got some self tappers. There she goes. Your catch can's rattling all over the place. You got a vacuum leak?
They all do that.
No, they don't.
I'd at least catch it himself.
Barely.
I've seen plenty that stall.
How much seat time do you have drifting? Like actually, like how many times have you been to the track?
On OSW?
Yeah. Once?
Once.
You linked the track?
I did the oval.
Like the figure eight?
I couldn't do the figure 8 part.
What'd you do? Just
I just did that outside.
yeah.
But like street driving?
That doesn't count. We don't talk about that on this channel.
Oh yeah.
No street drifting on
We
this
don't do
channel. No. So after we get done doing these upgrades to the car, which I don't even know if this is going to happen yet, but this is something that we want to do. It's something I think would be cool to share with the channel. Working on something else besides the S14. We'll go to the track and basically put all of the upgrades to the test and get him linking the track and comfortably drifting around, and then maybe if he gets comfortable, we'll bring out the S14 and we'll do tandems. Should be sick. The last thing I wanted to mention to you guys is I've got 6 lug trailer tires and wheels for sale. 4 of them are brand new tires, 2 of them are not. But basically I want $450 for all of them, or trade for guns. Me and Tucker have been shooting guns, and I'm trying to buy a new gun, and I found one. I want it so bad, I went and held it and looked at it, but I can't afford it, so buy my trailer tires. Alright guys, well let me know if you're interested in this, and I don't know, we'll hopefully get cracking on this soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.